Hello! Welcome back to Easy English. Today, we will practice some common sentence patterns. Our first phrase is, I wish I could. This phrase is used to express desires or regrets. Examples: I wish I could have a pet dinosaur. I wish I could fly. I wish I could speak more languages. I wish I could travel the world. Now it's your turn. Create 3 sentences using this phrase and send them in the comments section. Our next phrase is, I would rather. This phrase is used to express preference. Examples: I would rather play outside than do my homework. I would rather eat pizza than spaghetti. I would rather live in a small town than a big city. I would rather work as a writer than a lawyer. Now it's your turn. Create 3 sentences using this phrase and send them in the comments section. Our next phrase is, I know you. This phrase is used to express certainty or knowledge. Examples: I know you like ice cream. I know you're hungry. I know you're capable of more than you think. I know you'll do great on the test. Now it's your turn. Create 3 sentences using this phrase and send them in the comments section. Our next phrase is, I'm afraid that. This phrase is used to express fear or anxiety. Examples: I'm afraid of the dark. I'm afraid I'll get lost. I'm afraid that I might fail. I'm afraid of what the future holds. Now it's your turn. Create 3 sentences using this phrase and send them in the comments section. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English learning tips and lessons. See you in the next one.